Alright, in this video I'm going to try how to solve this problem. An error occurred, tap to retry as you try to switch between your Google accounts on YouTube, just like that. So let's get started. So this error comes up when you're trying to open your YouTube account and then try to switch between the accounts that you have, and then you notice that below the other accounts you see an error occurred, tap to retry. So in this video that's what I'm going to help you to solve. And if you're a fan of phone tech tips, tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So that's the error I'm going to help you to solve. An error occurred, tap to retry. So first things first. Now make sure that you grant your Google Play Store, and don't mind about that. Go to Google Play Store and type in the word YouTube, and make sure that you select YouTube, and you ought to make sure that YouTube application is up to date. It's up to date exactly. Just make sure that if it's not up to date, be sure to update it from there, from Google Play Store. Try to update from there, and then follow the next step very well, because it's the most important step that you need to do, so that it's one of the important steps that you need to do so that you can solve this error. And then head to your application, that is YouTube, and then you can use phone settings, then go to apps and then select the app, and then you have to clear cache, just like that. Clear cache. When you clear cache, and then also tap on clear data. When you tap on clear data, all the app data including files will be deleted. So you press OK. Now when you tap on OK, when you select clear data, when you clear data, now if you're enjoying this video, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family, and hit like for the algorithm to remind this video. So now open the YouTube application. That is after doing all the other steps that I've mentioned in this video. Now open your YouTube application and tap on the account, and you want to switch between the accounts. You'll notice that the tap to retry error, the error occurred, tap to retry is no longer visible. So that's the video exactly. So if you like this video, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So don't forget to hit like down below, and thanks for watching.